Okay, you're going to make a meme today using Google Slides. And so the way that we're going to do that is you can either begin your Google slide directly in your assignment by clicking where we did for our doc yesterday, click add. You can create a Google slide and that'll create it right in there. I'm going to just create the slide, then add it through the Google Drive. So we open up slides. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up a new slideshow and you're going to rename, hit this to open up a new blank show, and you're going to rename it Your Name Meme. And so I've already started one. So up here at the top, I renamed this Your First Name Meme. And so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have to go out and you're going to search for a picture that you would like to put on the background of your page. And so initially this will have a title or text box on here, and we can remove that. And what we're going to do is right click anywhere inside on the background, and we're going to change the background of our page, and we're going to choose an image, and you click on choose an image, and we're going to do a Google image search. And then here's where you can either use this to do an image search, or you can go out onto the internet and search for an image of your favorite movie, your favorite cartoon, your favorite character, making sure that this is school appropriate because you're turning it in. So I'm going to look for Hulk. So Incredible Hulk. And so I'm just going to use this one right here. Now, mind you, I'm not looking at copyright right now because this is going to be under fair use because I'm using a small amount. So I'm using just a picture of the Hulk, which is copyrighted, but it's a small amount. So it's just a picture. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rework it and I'm going to do something new to it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert now a text box. And if I drag, I can put my text box, and I'll put my text box right here at the bottom. Right? And then what you're going to do is you need to make sure that you change the color of your text so that it's complementary to what you're looking for. So I'm going to change to make this a white text so it shows up real nice. I'm going to also change the font of it to make it something a little bit better. And I'm going to change the size of it by increasing the size of my font. And I'm going to put in here, make this, we're going to put it all in caps. So how Mr. Egner looks for his first cup of coffee. And then, so what I want to do is, I got to spell this right. First cup of coffee. There it is. So then what I can do is I can kind of shrink this down or resize it. If I highlight all of my text, I can align it. I want to make this look really good. So I'm going to line this up. Right, there it is. And then I'm going to make this text even bigger. All right, and then what I can do is I can move this just a little bit. And then I can click off of it, and there's my meme. So how Mr. Egner looks before his first cup of coffee. So I've got my mad face. And so this is a funny, humorous thing saying that maybe I'm not in the best of moods before I've had my morning cup of coffee. You can also, if you want to, you can add shapes to it. So maybe there's something that you want to call attention to, or I want to make sure you can see that it's the mad face, right? So I'm going to put the arrow right there so that you know that that's my mad face or sad face. And then so you can add and rotate. And so all you're going to do is find something that you know is going to be copyrighted, and you're going to take a picture, or you're going to use a picture, and we're going to turn it into a meme. So then when you are done with this, you would go back to your Google Classroom assignment under this name, and you would add from your Google Drive, and you would add this file. Make sure that your file is Your Name Meme, so I know whose meme it is once you finished and completed your meme.